another gang of the Tiny Tots. It's the Blue this time. I can see them all dressed up in the very funky style. But here we have the Mr. Cool Dude. Can you tell us which song are you going to dance on?
Kala Chashma.
Kala Chashma. So where is your Chashma? Chashma aduna re तुवें? Okay, खंयच्यान येता रे तू डान्स करपाक?
Kunkoli.
कुंकोलीच्यान. Daily dances. Daily practice करतात. म्हाका एक सांग तू एकटोच नाचता काय मम्मी पापाक नचयता रे?
Actors.
एकटोच तांकां कांयच शिकयना? ओके, सिद्धांत सर फक्त तुमकांच शिकयता? Yes, you love him? You love him? Can I hear you say Siddhant sir rocks? 1, 2, 3, say. Loudly, I want you to say Siddhant sir rocks. 1, 2, 3. Siddhant sir rocks. And here we are, the people behind the grand success of this academy, the professional dancers of Siddhant Gadekar Dance Academy. I think some of you have gone international?
Yes.
Okay. And y'all are, I guess, getting prizes every now and then I read on the papers for all the dance competitions. This is that group?
Yes.
Can I hear you say that loudly?
Yes.
Okay, so how many years are you dancing with Siddhant Gadekar?
Two.
Oh.
Differently.
Yeah.
All of you. Okay, on a very well choreographed dance sequences.
Yes.
You're the only girl?
No. One more is there.
Okay, there are others getting ready backstage still. Okay, nevertheless, what do you want to say about Siddhant sir? Can you say something about him? How does he teach you? What do you feel? You feel motivated? Did you used to dance earlier, or this is the first time that you have started dancing under him?
I was dancing earlier. He's like a role model.
Okay, and does he shouts at you if you do something
No,
wrong?
No.
No, he teaches you again and again and again.
Yeah.
Okay, so you get inspired, and anybody who wants to go to learn any dances, you refer them to? Okay, so can I hear you say Siddhant sir rocks?
Dancer rocks.
All right, with this your attitude, we have these professionals, the brand ambassadors of the Gadekar Academy. I should say all the best to you, these guys. Get going and get rolling. Thank you.
From the backstage.
कली कली तेरी लाहौर चली जिया रे बाहुबली
And here we are taking the couple of last shots inside the auditorium itself. We can see that it's all getting packed up, almost done and sorted to set the evening. And we have this lovely lady among us all ready and set to see your children perform.
Yeah, and my brother's son,
भावालो भुरगें आसा. ओके. तुम्ही खंयच्यान आयली आसा?
Bori.
बोरीच्यान ते हांगा मडगांव डेली येता डान्स करपाक.
ना मडगांव माझा भाव आसा न्हू तेगेले चेड्या.
तुम्ही बोरीच्यान परफॉर्मन्स करपा आयला ते मडगांवांत रावतात. सो कितले भुरगे आसा?
2.
धाकटे धाकटे.
6th.
वार्षिक ते परफॉर्म करतात.
हय.
एवरी टाइम. आणि तुम्ही सदां बोरीच्यान तांकां पळोवपा येता.
Yes.
Okay, he आयली आसा बोरीच्यान to cheer up all the children and to cheer up her nephews and niece All the best to your nephew and niece, and I'm sure they're going to rock the evening.
Thank you.
In the auditorium, still people are setting up and catching up their seats. Here we have somebody who's come from.
My daughter Saisha,
But you have come from where?
वारका.
वारकाच्यान तुम्ही प्रोग्राम पळोवपाक आयली.
हय.
तूं एकटीच आयली आसा काय आनी कोण आयली?
म्हजो घोव येयला, चेडो, हांव आनी म्हजी चली आसा.
डान्सिंग वचूं ना तर
ना
ताका डान्साची आवड ना.
ना म्युझिक
तुमचे भितर कोणाक आवड आसा? पप्पाक आवड आसा काय मम्माक आवड आसा?
म्हाका आसा.
सो मम्माक आवड आसतना चली हांगा पावली अँड आय एम शुअर की ती स्टेजार खूप धमाल करून दाखयतली. मजा करात. हॅव अ नायस इवनिंग अँड ऑल द बेस्ट टू युअर डॉटर.
थँक्यू.
And here we are to the man by himself, the self-made man of the town, Margaon, Siddhant Gadekar. It's been a great success to you, we can see that.
Yes.
And I guess this is your third or fourth
This is my season 4. Yeah.
seasons 4, and every time new children, or do you have the same kids again and again?
Like everywhere we focus around new branches. Like we take classes from Verna to Kanakona. So we keep on shifting places, especially the village places where people are not aware about what is dancing. So we really go over there. It's not about money and it's not about earning. We actually want to spread the culture about dance, which is really growing these days because parents are supporting most of the kids. And
पहिले आमचे टायमार तितले मातशे रिस्ट्रिक्शन्स बी आशिल्ली आतां आय थिंक यू आर फोकसिंग एनीबडी कॅन डान्स
येस ऑब्वियसली एनीबडी कॅन डान्स बिकॉज म्हज्या इव्हेंटाक जी आतां भुरगीं नाचता ती ल्हानूच भुरगीं अशीं ना फ्रॉम 3 years to 40 years स्टील सुद्दां हांगा भुरगीं नाचता सो देर इज नो एज लिमीट देर इज नो एज लिमीट फॉर डान्स एक्चुअली एनीबडी कॅन डान्स या
Okay, yeah, that's a good tagline. Mr. Siddhant follows the not only state level, national level, but he has also been overseas. We are well versed with Siddhant Gadekar's Dance Academy, and I'm sure he's going to be doing all well, all time. All the best to you.
या थँक यू